Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to talk about the relationships and how to make the marriage work. What I find across the world is that the relationships are breaking and divorces are rising and people are getting separated. So this is the trend that is taking place across the world. One of the reasons include the technology and second reason is that everybody wants to be independent. Everybody wants to have their own space. It's good to be independent. It's good to have their own space. At the same time, we must learn to adjust. We must learn to compromise. So in any marriage there will be frictions, so we should try to remove those frictions. And there is nothing like an ideal husband, an ideal wife. There is nothing like an ideal partner. There is nothing like an ideal couple. This is the reality we have to accept. The relationships are not absolute. They are variable. They keep changing. And there are certain tools and techniques you need to adopt uh, to make your marriage work and everlasting. So respect your spouse, be committed to your spouse, be kind and compassionate, uh, support your spouse during that distress. And there will be ups and downs in life. There will be success and failures. So just because of failures, we can't stay away. So we should understand the fact that life is full of ups and downs. So we need to keep all these things in view to ensure that the marriages work. And the thing is that any relationship has to undergo three stages. First, physical connection. Second is emotional connection. Third is spiritual connection. So these are the three stages that happen between wife and husband across the world. So the takeaway from this video is compromise, remove the differences if any, and don't have unrealistic expectations from your spouse, and try all the ways to ensure a happy married life. I would appreciate if you could like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notifications.